Hi, I'd like to talk to you about Humanise for Law. It's amazing, and it does two things for you. The first thing is that it actually increases the volume of business that you get from your website by up to 60%. Now that sounds incredible, so how do we do it? Well, I bet you have a Contact Us page just like this one on your website. But the problem is, it is a separate page. And that means that people need to break the flow from what they're doing and reading in order to navigate to the contact page. And when they get there, the way to digitally make contact is often the last thing, and it feels like an afterthought. So imagine this is your website. On the right-hand side over there is Humanise for Law. It's interactive, it grabs people's attention, and they don't need to hunt around your website to find it. And when they do use it, it takes them through a series of structured questions that are designed to gather the information that you need to make an assessment of this person's needs and whether it's worth you spending your time on. The second thing that we do is that we reduce the amount of effort it takes to process inquiries when they come in. In fact, our customers are telling us that we reduce the amount of effort required by 2/3. In other words, it only takes 1/3 of the time to do something that it takes you today. Isn't that amazing? Let's take a look at how we do that. This is the Humanise for Law dashboard. This is what your team has, and this is how they see the inquiries when they come into the system. So here we see the inquiry that we just entered onto the website. We see the history of the conversation in the center, and on the right-hand side, we see all of the data that we collected from the website. So you can quickly glance at this and get a really good understanding about what this particular client is looking for. And here we see our analytics, lots of amazing graphs to help you understand the performance of your business development team. But importantly, we also have integration with Google AdWords. So we keep track of your ad campaigns and how they're performing, how many inquiries are resulting from those campaigns. So you can understand whether you're spending wisely. Now, I hope you agree with me that this is completely amazing technology for the legal industry. We're really excited, so why don't you press the button down below, make contact, and we'll get it installed on your website this week.